Hi there, I'm Ranger Carter from the Department of Wildlife and Fisheries. Today I'm here to tell you the do's and don'ts of camping. For your safety and the safety of fellow campers, it's advised you follow these rules. Here comes a family of campers now. May God have mercy on their soul. How about some tunes?
And I say, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? Hey, yeah, 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 yeah.
Now that you've arrived, it's time to get your camp set up. From your supplies to your tent. Wicked pisser, the camp's now set up. One important camping tip is to hide your food and keep it secured. That way critters can't get in and eat it. It would be a real shame if you didn't listen. You would suffer a slow and painful death from starvation. Speaking of food, Bob, cooking marshmallows over an open fire is a tradition to every camping experience. They should be a nice tan color. Leave them on too long and they'll turn blacker than burnt rubber. Rumor has it there's a mythological creature that has abducted campers. Hide your buggers and your old nagging wife. They're coming to snatch your family. We have lots of trails to explore. However, please stick to them. You should also look at your map to help you. You should also stay out of the tall grass. You could be walking through poison ivy and not know it until you start getting wicked itchy.
I'm flying.
A beautiful day on the lake. Well, this might seem like a great moment to recreate a scene from the Titanic. Please don't. You most likely unbalance the boat and go overboard. Hey, think there's enough room for me?
No, don't be silly.
Come on!
No.
Please! If you hear God's clap, beat feet. Seek shelter immediately.
Huh?
There are many wild animals in the woods. It's best to keep your distance. Oh look, a treasure chest. But wait, don't steal it or else face the wrath of the open. Don't even get me started on the edit. You should also watch out for werewolves.
La-da-da-da-dee, we like to party, dancing with my...
In respect for your fellow campers, please don't sing campfire songs. This isn't American Idol, you can make a fool out of yourself. Oh God, it's Miley Cyrus. Whoa, whoa, whoa. If you want to keep a PG rating, we can't show twerking. There we go, she's mad. I'm pretty sure that if you follow these rules, you'll have a safe and fun time camping. Happy trails.